Want to use your Firefox extensions in private browsing? It's simple to allow them. In this video, we'll show you how to enable extensions in private mode. Open Firefox. Click the three lines menu in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down. On the left sidebar, click Extensions and Themes. Then, select Extensions at the top. Click on the extension you want to enable. Look for Run in Private Windows. Select Allow to enable it in private browsing mode. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe. And